So, we say things as professionals and experts in varied quarters and it reaches home directly. Not concerned with person's feelings, we share videos as jokes. Not thinking that the words we utter can be considered as hurtful. Whenever I share anything about any channel or individual, it's about their perceived character and actions they have taken, and not about their personal life or physical being. My comments are based on what I see portrayed in videos and sentiments shared in varied quarters on different social platforms. I am careful in the choice of language and mindful that liabilities can be considered. Regardless, once it's the truth, I never hesitate to make mention of it. A few weeks ago, a channel owner did a so-called funny video. To me it was not. The video came across as a flagrant dart aimed at particular individuals not willing to show their face on their videos. The comment shared about that was that, these persons hide behind the camera because they were ugly. Many persons use this option, that of not showing themselves too much due to several issues. These ranges from security concerns, religion, lack of self-confidence, and yes, they do feel as if they are ugly. I caution persons not to develop the habit to incite a sense of fear based on looks. This is a very bad precedence. I have said in several videos that I am a friend to all, loyal to none. I do not like the above mention. Yes, indeed, it's not what I like, it's about the viewer. However, this encourages something which paints a daunting picture on social media. We are socialized within our space to dress, talk and respond to stimuli, in a particular way. What is accepted in culture X may be considered a vice in culture Y. This video was slow in publication due to the careful consideration needed in putting it together, in a language which may not seem too coarse or intense. The discovery of narrated videos opens an avenue for shares like this. It is hoped that you will understand the undertone of this video. Respect fish tubing members.